Stella, what's going on?
I am about to drive the car in Mexico.
Cross, are you okay? Without any parents in the car? Stella, she's only 14.
Why is she doing this?
Okay, Stella, don't go far. Hey, fill up with gas when you get back. So that over there is the United States, but we're in Mexico right now. See you guys. Ross, how was it?
I wouldn't have ran over.
Horrible, scary, terrifying?
So we have arrived Real de Catorce. It's 10 something at night here. This place is off the beaten path for sure. Last time we were here selling cross for like 3 and 1 years old. Brought some Canadian friends here as well. Anyhow, this is the tunnel to get to Real de Catorce, a little Puebla, basically. It's been a while, but it's pretty fun. It's a little bumpy, and the windshield's it's full of bugs. Hopefully, oh geez, jeepers.
How was your first morning, Dad?
Well, my heels and my head are both touching the wall. So, a little tight last night.
And it's also a full-size bed. We're not quite used to sleeping in a full-size
When we
bed.
first got married, we slept in a full-size bed for 2 months.
Yeah. But that wasn't enjoyable.
I liked it.
Yep.
50, it's very
It was like 46 last night and windy. It was
It
chilly.
was awesome.
We're
We had
here
this-
high up in the Sierra Madres.
Anyhow, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Stop. We're in Real de Catorce, and the last time I was here was 10 years ago, and I brought my kids, and we went around in Real in a vehicle similar to this. It was a Willys, but it didn't have these colors, and it was actually even cooler than this. My 50th birthday is coming up, and I'm wanting my husband to buy me one so bad. So if you guys could put a little pressure on him, that would be really appreciated. Now, in the meantime, let's talk about my must-haves. Look, come down here, son. This is my waist bag. Another thing, if you don't have the essential oils pouch, get one. If you do not have a Coroja eyeglass pouch, you need to get one. Plus the price point is just ridiculous. Okay, so Dad and Cross are taking off to do a 1-hour horseback ride, and Sal and I decided we're gonna tackle this little magical town.
I was kind of hoping for the burro, but you know, you gotta get what you gotta get. I have Torreon and this horse here. Isn't he sweet? That's a sweet one right there. I'd like to have one just like him. And then Cross has Lucy.
So I think this is the vehicle we actually used the last time we were here 10 years ago. I'm almost positive. And it's even got the rack up top, remember? We climbed up there. You were on the top of this when you were a little girl. It is. It's cool. I need this. Oh, I need this in my life. see all the bugs on our windshield. It's legit.